In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create date in Airtable, date tracking 2026. If you're planning projects, logging milestones, or just keeping tabs on deadlines, a dedicated date field is the backbone of reliable tracking. Let's set one up together from start to finish. First, open your browser and go to airtable.com. Sign into your account the way you normally do. If you use single sign-on, continue with that. Otherwise, enter your credentials securely and proceed. This part should only take a moment. After you log in, you'll land on your Airtable dashboard. Here you'll see your workspaces and right up front, a list of your recent bases. This is handy because it keeps the things you've been working on just a click away. Open a base you want to update. If you're starting fresh, you can create a new base instead and then open it. Either way, we'll be working in the same place inside the table. By default, Airtable opens in grid view, which looks a lot like a spreadsheet. This is perfect for adding and managing fields, because you can see your column headers across the top. Move your mouse to the far right of the header row until you see a small plus button. That plus adds a new field to your table. Click it to open the field configuration panel. In the field type selector, search for or scroll to date. Choose the date type. This tells Airtable we're storing calendar dates rather than plain text. Now give your field a clear, descriptive name, like due date or event date, so teammates immediately know what it's for. Next, adjust the settings. Decide whether you need to include time along with the date. If timing matters for scheduling, turn that on. If not, keep it off to stay clean and simple. Pick your preferred date format so entries appear consistently. And set a time zone if your team spans regions, ensuring everyone sees the same moment in time. Review any additional options that appear for your plan, then confirm your choices and click Create Field. You'll return to the grid with your new date column in place. From here, every record can carry a consistent sortable date you can rely on for filters, calendars, timelines, and reminders across your workflows. That's it. You've set up a date field in Airtable the right way, ready for accurate tracking in 2026 and beyond.